Think you know your favorite restaurant? We are giving 2 emojis and you have to just 5 seconds to guess the name. Ready? Let's see how many you can get right. Let's go. 2 emojis, 1 restaurant. Can you crack this clue? It's Taco Bell. Did you nail that one? Look closely at these emojis. What restaurant comes to mind? The answer is Pizza Hut. You have got 5 seconds. Name the restaurant. It's McDonald's. Would you rather eat this rotten fast food combo or hit that like button? Which one did you choose? Can you connect these 2 emojis to the right restaurant? It's Popeyes. Did you figure it out? Here comes a tasty challenge. What's your answer? Burger King takes this one. These emojis are hiding a popular food spot. Can you find it? It's Domino's. Hope you got. Can you spot all 3 differences? You have got 10 seconds. Did you find the all 3s? Coffee lovers, this one might be easy. What's the name? It's Starbucks. Did you spot the clue? Ready for another one? Take a look and make your guess. Dairy Queen, sweet answer if you got it. Remember the position of all logos? Where is the Pringle located? It's number 4. Can you decode these emojis before time runs out? Rising Canes, that was a finger licking. Good guess. What restaurant is hiding behind these 2 clues? The answer is Wingstop. Don't blink. Can you figure out this restaurant? It's Little Caesar. Were you quick enough to get it? Let's see how sharp you are. What's your answer? 5 Guys. That one was a tasty win. West Coast food fans. In-N-Out Burger. Did you recognize it? Can you find the odd one out? Look closely. Did you spot it? One doesn't belong here. Can you find it? Got the odd one. Which one is different? You have got 10 seconds. Did you find it? Here's a tricky one. What restaurant do you see in these emojis? Jack in the Box, did you crack the code? Something sweet is hiding here. Can you name the restaurant? Baskin Robbins. Now that's cool answer. Your next emoji challenge is here. What's your guess? The answer is Bojangles. Two simple clues, but can you find the restaurant? White Castle. Was that one on your list? Think burger and shakes. Which restaurant are you looking for? Freddy, did you get it before the reveal? Which one would you choose? A rotten combo for your friend or a yummy combo for yourself? Pick this for your friend and hit like. Choose this for yourself and subscribe. This emoji combo has a restaurant hiding in plain sight. Arby's, nice job. Time for another food challenge. What name are you thinking? Wendy's, did you call it correctly? Can you solve this one without any hints? Sonic Drive-In. Here's a famous one. Do these emojis give you the answer? KFC, finger licking good. Pizza fans, this clue is for you. What's your guess? Papa John's. Can you turn these emojis into a restaurant name? Macros Pizza. This one might be tougher. Can you solve this emoji clue? Firehouse Sub. Follow the clue and trust your gut. What's the answer? Cinnabon. Burger fans, get ready. Which restaurant do these emojis represent? Whataburger. What a great guess. Last one. Can you finish strong and name this restaurant? The answer is Chuck E. Cheese. Alright, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next one.